Introduce features interest for Vantrue M2, 2.5K mirror dash cam. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Vantrue M2 rear view mirror dash cam simultaneously shoots front 2.5K, 2560x1440 at 30 fps, and rear 1080p, 1920x1080 at 30 fps, resolution, which can clearly capture license plates and road signs. With 148 degrees front and rear 140 degrees ultra-wide-angle dual lenses, the M2 mirror camera can provide you with a full field of view of 5 lanes of the road, presenting road conditions without dead zones. Adopted with dual Sony Starvis sensors and HDR technology. The M2 rear view mirror dash cam captures clear video and stunning details, including clear license plate numbers and road signs even in ultra-low light condition, giving you a great night vision experience. When reversing, the screen automatically switches to the reversing image with an adjustable reversing aid line, which can be adjusted according to the size of your car, allowing you to enjoy the zero blind zone reversing experience, which makes reversing safer and easier. The rear camera also supports the rear view 180 degrees flip, so you can install the rear camera upside down, making it easier to install on pickup trucks and RVs. The 12-inch touchscreen provides 3 times wider view than traditional rear view mirror, allows for easy operation. The M2 rearview mirror camera streams sharp and clear 1080p video from its rear camera in real time, minimizing the blind spots for safe driving/reversing. With Smart Screen Split function, you can observe dual lens display simultaneously, or view just the front camera, just the backup camera, or the screen can be off. The included GPS module helps record the live speed, mph/kmh optional, direction and on the camera while driving. You also can check more GPS information from Vantrue Player on PC. Triggered by parking mode, both of the front and rear camera will auto power on and start recording whenever an impact is detected, provide 24 hours protection to your vehicle. With G-sensor enabled, when a collision or vibration is detected, both the front and rear camera will auto-lock the current footage to prevent the video from being overwritten, providing you with a safe experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.